and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. The Australian share market is likely to start the morning on a higher note as inflation slowed within the US, easing pressure on the Federal Reserve to lift rates aggressively. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 would open 58 points or 0.84% higher. On Wednesday, the benchmark index ASX 200 closed 0.53% lower at 6,992 points. Looking to some business news from this morning, financial services company AMP will return $1.1 billion in capital to shareholders. The company reported net profit after tax on a statutory basis increased threefold to $481 million from $146 million in the same period a year ago, predominantly assisted by the gain on sale of the infrastructure debt platform, the company said. On an underlying basis, net profit after tax fell by a quarter to $117 million for the half-year period. Telstra today increased its dividend for the first time in 7 years. The board resolved to pay a fully franked dividend of 8.5 cents per share, bringing the total dividend for the year to 16.5 cents per share. The company reported profit of $1.8 billion for the year, down 4.6%, with total income of $22 billion. That was down 4.7% on the prior year. Telstra CEO Andy Penn says Telstra's T22 strategy had set the company up well to manage through the current uncertain economic climate and created the foundation for growth. And property company the Mirvac Group today released its full-year result for the financial year ending 30th of June, delivering a strong result ahead of guidance, with a statutory profit of $906 million, a $5 million increase on financial year 2021, an operating profit of $596 million. Residential sales team delivered an outstanding result this year, particularly in light of the many challenges faced, including weather and COVID-19 related delays, launching 6 major apartment projects that will further contribute to their $1.6 billion of pre-sales. The company will pay 5.1 cent dividend per security, bringing its total distribution for the year to 10.2 cents per security. Well, now it's time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
Sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now let's take a look at the global markets. In the US, the S&P 500 jumped 2.13%. The Dow Jones gained 1.63% and the Nasdaq ended 2.89% higher yesterday. Over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 was up 0.91%. The FTSE gained 0.25%, the CAC increased 0.52%, and the DAX ended 1.23% higher. Brent crude closed at $97.40 per barrel. That was up 1.1%. Gold prices fell on hawkish remarks from the US Fed offers. They dampened hopes of a let-up in aggressive policy modification after the inflation data. Now, gold had charged higher on top of 1,800 level before losing ground. Spot gold fell 0.11% to $1,792 per ounce. Iron ore closed at $111.50. That was down 1.3% yesterday. That's all for our ASX at Breakfast report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.